guys, my name is Melissa. For those who don't know me, I'm the MeliBee on Instagram. I have my own journey page where I show all the wild herbs and medicinal herbal remedies that I produce. I'm finally going to start my online introductory herbal medicine courses with ardkon and Bickfaya. I'm going to launch this course on the 24th of September, and I would really like it if you guys can make it. We're going to have a lot of physical and educational theories that we're going to talk about. We're going to go through the 8 module sections of my course, which is going to take 4 months to complete. We're also going to have a small walk on the land to find all the herbs and plants we can include in our dinner that we're going to prepare later on, which we're going to include as well a lot of syrups and garnishes and salts that I've prepared as well throughout the years. I hope you can make it, and we have so many surprises as well and workshops with vegan dishes that I can tell you a little bit more about. Some Indian grey oyster mushroom risotto with vegan raita and chutney with flour tempuras and roast tahini dips. And I hope to see you there next week.